Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel RideNexus and subscribe my channel. Today, we're looking at an SUV that completely breaks the mold. This isn't your average family car, it's a high-performance, wide-body monster based on the Great Wall Motors, GWM, Haval H6. Show sweeping shots of the whole rear. The first thing you notice is the stance. This custom wide-body kit transforms the car's profile. Check out these massive, flared fender arches. They completely cover the huge deep-dish aftermarket wheels, giving the H6 an incredibly aggressive, almost rally car-like presence. This modification isn't subtle. It's a statement of pure performance. Zoom in on the flared fenders and wide tires. Moving to the rear, the customization continues. The signature full-width LED taillight bar is still there, but everything else is amped up. Above, you have this very aggressive ducktail-style rear spoiler, which is pure downforce-focused design, sitting atop the standard roof spoiler. This isn't just for looks, it hints at serious speed. Focus on the spoiler and the LED taillights. What do you think of this wide-body SUV? Would you modify your Haval like this? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification